What are the notes on a guitar? Sharps versus flats. Memorizing techniques. Instrument insight. Guitar notes are individual pitches. For example, when you play one string at a time, you're playing one note. While the normal alphabet goes from A to Z, the musical alphabet goes from A to G. Hashtag sign represents a sharp note, while the B sign represents a flat note. The sharp note is a note that is higher than the original note, while the flat note is a note that is lower than the original note. For example, if you see a note that says C sharp, it means that you play the note C but make it a little higher in pitch. Similarly, if you see a note that says D B or D flat, it means that you play the note D but make it a little lower in pitch. Are sharps and flats different from each other? Though sharps and flats are different by name, they are the same thing. For example, a sharp and BB or B flat are the same notes. Sharps and flats are also known as accidentals. Practicing notes. The best way to practice notes is to start with the open strings. The open strings are the strings that are played without any fingers on the fretboard. The open strings are E, A, D, G, B, and E. Start by playing each open string one at a time and saying the name of the note out loud. The best way to remember the string's name is by remembering the line, "Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie." Once you are comfortable with the open strings, start practicing the notes on the first fret. Practice playing each note on the first fret and saying the name of the note out loud. Continue to practice the notes on each fret until you have mastered the entire fretboard. What's a 1/2 step? A 1/2 step is the distance between two notes that are right next to each other. For example, the distance between C and C sharp is 1/2 step. Final words. Learning the notes on a guitar is a necessary step for any serious musician. By taking the time to learn them, you'll be setting yourself up for success in your guitar playing. Start by memorizing the order of the strings and the names of the notes on the first few frets. As you become more comfortable with the fretboard, start practicing the notes on each fret until you have mastered the entire fretboard. With time and practice, you'll be able to play all the chords, solos, and riffs you want with ease. If you like the video, consider subscribing this channel and follow us on social media. If you are watching this on Instrument Insight TV, you will be redirected to the blog post automatically in a moment for comprehensive learning. And if you are watching this on YouTube or Facebook, don't forget to check the links in the description box to learn more about guitars. Cheers!